The concept is about units and dimensions. So before going to this units and dimensions, let's discuss about quantity and physical quantity. Here quantity means how much or how many. It represents a number. And coming to the physical quantity, it represents that measurable, the quantity which can be measured. So you can measure number of apples, or you can use to say 1 kg of apples, 10 kgs, or you can measure 1 liter of water. So for measuring we are using some units like kgs, liters and meters, kilometers, etc. But some of the quantities which cannot be measured, like number of particles in a salt or sand, so we can't measure the particles in this one. So physical quantity can be derived as the quantity which is measured, which can be measurable, are called physical quantities. And these physical quantities are categorized into 3 types. The first one is fundamental physical quantity. Fundamental physical quantity. Second one is derived physical quantity. Third one will be supplementary physical quantity. So these are the 3 physical quantities which can be categorized. So coming to the fundamental quantities, it cannot be derived from any physical quantities. That means it cannot be derived. And for derived quantities, these quantities can be derived from physical quantities. So here fundamental quantities, here fundamental F, if you reverse this F, it going to 7 fundamental physical quantities are there. So there should be length is the fundamental quantity, mass, time, temperature, electric current, luminous intensity, amount of substance. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here the length is measured in meters. It should be m. Mass is kilograms, kg. Time is seconds. The symbol is S. These are the units and these are the symbols. Temperature is Kelvin, K. Electric current will be ampere, is represented with A. Luminous intensity, candela, represented with CD. Amount of substance is mole, represented with MOL. So these are the 7 fundamental quantities: length, mass, time, temperature, current, luminous intensity, amount of substance. This will represent the units of these 7 fundamental quantities, and the derived quantities we will be discussed on the next video. And coming to the supplementary quantities, there are 2 supplementary quantities are there. One is supplementary physical quantities. One is plane angle, which is measured in radians, RAD. And the other one is solid angle, which is measured in steradian, SR. So here solid angle means steradian. This units will be SR. For plane angle it is measured in radians. It will be RAD.